Good evening, everyone. So today we are going to further understand about the cell organelles. So they are the lysosomes, plastid, and the mitochondria and the chloroplast. So let's start. So lysosomes, we can say that it is in the spherical in shape, which is bounded by the single membrane organelle in the eukaryotic cells. That contains what it contains? It contains the digestive enzymes. Means ये जो digestive enzyme होता है, it is synthesized by the cell, which passes through the lysosome. It is a bag-like structure. है ना, ये क्या garbage bag-like structure है, which contains the digestive enzymes capable of breaking down the various biomolecules, which include the protein, lipid, carbohydrate, and nucleic acids. So it play a crucial role in. इसको देखने से पहले एक और चीज देखेंगे that what मतलब जो lysosomes क्या करते हैं, basically what happened that they are the what आपके garbage disposal systems of the cell है. Means they are the garbage bag in this cell. They dispose out the garbage, or we can say this worn out tissues which is present inside this cell. Yeah, now see, it plays a crucial role in what? Intracellular digestion. Means cell के अंदर intracellular digestion, breaking down the waste materials हो गया, cellular debris and engulfed pathogens like the bacteria through the phagocytosis or autophagy. Then if we see that recycling the cellular components, so they are what they are doing? They are doing that degrading old and damaged organelles to reuse their molecules. They are degrading the old and the damaged organelles. अब इसके key features क्या है? Now if we see the lysosomes formation क्या होता है इसका? अगर हम ये समझे that if we understand the formation of the lysosome is what happens first. It is formed in the endoplasmic reticulum. Means आपका नहीं, it is formed in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. RER में first form होता है, then it is passed to the what आपका Golgi apparatus. Then it is passed the Golgi apparatus in the form of a vesicle. Okay, in the form of a vesicle. That vesicle is known as the what? Lysosomes. So formed by the Golgi apparatus contains the what? Hydrolytic enzyme that contains. Then what? It protects the cell from the cell digestion by keeping enzymes enclosed. So this is the, you can see that this is the diagram. This is the picture of the lysosomes. Now, our second cell organelle is what? Powerhouse of the cell. That is the what? Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the, we can say that singular if we say that is the mitochondrion are the membrane bound organelles that is found in the cells of most eukaryotic organisms. अब ये किस में found नहीं होती? It is not found, means they are the absent. They are absent in your mature mammalian RBCs हो गई है ना, mature mammalian RBCs जो होती है उनमें ये क्या होते हैं? They are absent, and the prokaryotic cells also. So they are present only and only in the eukaryotic cells. So often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, they play a crucial role play करते हैं in generating energy in the form of adenosines triphosphate ATP. Yeah, what they do? They generate the energy in the form of what? ATP के form में. ATP का full form, the full form of ATP you should learn and आपको remember होना चाहिए, है ना? Then through the aerobic respiration. And now what is the key features of the mitochondria? They are the outer membrane if we see. That is smooth and permeable to small molecules. means जो छोटे जो आपके molecules होते हैं, tiny molecules. So what happens? It is the smooth and it is the permeable membrane. So inner membrane is folded into cristae, which is what doing? Increasing the surface area for ATP production. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? That जो inner membrane है ना, वो क्या कर रही है? It is folded into the cristae. Means वो cristae form कर रही है. Then what is happening? It is increasing the surface of ATP production. Energy production का वो जो surface area है, it is increasing. In matrix we see the inner fluid filled space containing the enzymes, mitochondria, DNA and ribosomes. So जो ये matrix है, इस matrix में क्या present है? In this matrix, the inner fluid filled space mitochondria, DNA, and the ribosomes. Now, if we see the function, ये तो क्या था, ये तो आपका स्ट्रक्चर था. इट वाज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. अब इसका फंक्शन, ये क्या फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है, तो लेट्स सी. एटीपी प्रोडक्शन. एटीपी का जो प्रोडक्शन होता है ना आपका, व्हाट हैपन कंडक्ट्स द ऑक्सीडेटिव phosphorylation, मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन का ट्रांसपोर्ट चेंज है आपका. Then if we see the metabolism, that what happens in this participates in the Krebs cycles, है ना. Krebs cycle, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जो हमारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं ना, वो किसके साइकिल में फॉर्म होते हैं, इन द Krebs cycle, TCA cycle, and the fatty acid oxidation. Then calcium storage also happens. It helps to regulate the cellular calcium levels. Then if we see the unique properties of this, have their own circular DNA, which is similar to bacterial DNA, supporting endoplasmic theory, can replicate independently of the cell. So it was all about what आपका माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में था. I hope ये आपको समझ में आया होगा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में. So you can see, ये जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है ना, it was, एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज थी, that it is, इसका जो शेप होता है, इसका शेप कैसा होता है, it has the, we can say that it is in the shape of fibrillar or the discoidal shape, saucer shape, we can say that. Okay, so this is the matrix fluid layer, inner membrane cristae, then DNA present, ribosomes, outer membrane, and the intermembrane space. Then we have plastid. अब जो ये plastid है ना, now if we see, plastid is also an organelle, but plastid is only present in the plants, है ना. Is it present in the animals and the, what's the name, human beings? No. So the answer will be no. Okay, plastid is only present inside the what? Plants can be present. Plants, algae, some आपके other जो आपके, we can say that eukaryotic organisms हैं. Plastid are responsible for what? Manufacturing and storing the important chemical compound, which includes the pigments, हो गया, nutrients. They play the essential role in process such as photosynthesis, starch storage, we can say, and the synthesis of the fatty acid or amino acids. So there are three types of plastid. Types of plastid अगर हम देखें तो three types के होते हैं. They are the chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast, you all know this term. ये सबको पता है, ये term तो आपको सबको पता ही है. Chloroplast is what? In the plants, the leaf which contains the chloroplast, that leaf only can perform the what? Photosynthesis process. Why? क्यों? Because what happens, this chloroplast contain the green pigment contain करता है, so the color of the leaf is also the green. So that's why what happens, if the leaves contain the chloroplast pigment, so then only it can what do? It can perform the side of the photosynthesis. Contains this chlorophyll. Chloroplast is what contains the chlorophyll. Okay. And are the side of the photosynthesis. Then chromoplast, they store and synthesize the pigment like carotenoids that give the fruits and the flower their color. Now the chromoplast, what they do, they are the, we can say that, in the colorful manner, है ना, petals हो गए, fruits and the flowers, उनको वे कलर देते हैं. Then the leucoplast, colorless जो plastid है, involved in the storage, means आपकी stem हो गई and आपकी roots. Then the key feature is what? Have a double membrane envelope, contain their own DNA, then can interconvert between the different types depending on their cellular needs. Okay, so this is the what? This is the your chloroplast. Okay, so first we are going to see the diagram and then we will discuss about it. ये जो chloroplast है, this is the what? See here, this is the stroma, granium, thylakoid, outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane. Then this is the what? Intermembrane space and the stroma lamella. So अगर हम इसका देख के स्ट्रक्चर, if we see that double membrane is the outer plus inner with stroma fluid inside. जो आपका डबल membrane है वो किसका मिलकर बना हुआ है? It is made the power of the outer plus inner with the stroma. अब thylakoids means flattened sacs होते हैं stabbed to grana, okay, which contains the chlorophyll. And if we see the stroma lamellae contains the grana, contains DNA, ribosome and the starch granules. इसके functions क्या है आपके chloroplast के? Its functions are what? Photosynthesis, light dependent reaction, produces the ATP produce करते हैं and the pH, releases the O2. Then we see the pigment synthesis and the starch storage. So I hope that this lecture is clear to you. आपको मैंने जितना भी समझाया है, it is understand, okay? So please revise करना. So this was your second last lecture of this chapter. Then in the last, we only have left with the last lecture. Then we will complete this chapter. I hope that we have done up to 6th lecture, I think. This is your 6th lecture, na? Only 7th lecture is left. After that, we will complete this lecture, this topic also, this chapter. Okay, so please revise up to this much. जहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा है. Okay. So, bye and take care.